In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a YouTube video with Perplexity. We're going to take a YouTube link and turn it into a clear, concise summary using Perplexity's research model. This is great when you want the main points of a long video without watching the entire thing, or you need a quick refresher before a meeting or study session. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Perplexity's website. You'll land on a simple chat interface where you can ask questions or provide links. No special setup is required for this walkthrough, and the free experience works fine for what we need. Next, grab the URL of the YouTube video you want summarized. If you're on a computer, open the video in your browser and copy the link from the address bar. On a phone or tablet, open the YouTube app, tap Share, then Copy Link. Make sure you're using a public or unlisted video. Private or restricted videos may not produce a useful summary. Now switch back to Perplexity. Click into the chat box and paste the YouTube URL. You should see the full link appear. Don't send it yet. We'll adjust one setting to get the best result. Look for the model selector in the Perplexity interface and choose the Perplexity research model. This model is designed to analyze sources more thoroughly and produce grounded, well-cited answers, which is exactly what we want for a reliable video summary. With the research model selected, return to the chat box and add the prompt text, "Summarize this video." You can place it before or after the link, both approaches work. Now send your message. Perplexity will process the link, analyze the video's transcript and context, and then present a structured overview. You can expect a breakdown of the main ideas, key takeaways, and often a logical flow that mirrors the video's sections. If the video includes technical content, you'll typically see simplified explanations that still preserve important details. If something doesn't load, double-check that the link was copied correctly and that the video is accessible. Also confirm that the research model is selected, since it provides the most dependable summaries. Occasionally, videos with missing transcripts or heavy background noise may yield shorter results. That's normal. And that's it. You've gone to Perplexity, copied a YouTube video URL, pasted it into the chat, selected the Perplexity research model, and asked it to summarize this video. You now have a fast, dependable way to extract the core message from any YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing.